a legend no one will forget. Everyone thought King Koopa had left the Mushroom Kingdom. And then his doom ship attacked. King Koopa was back with the greatest danger ever known, his Koopa kids. Using their new superpowers, the Super Mario Brothers rescued Princess Toadstool and beat back the evil Koopa family. I'll get those plumbers!
Go to the real world, Mario. I have a kingdom to run.
Doctor's orders, Princess. You're overworked, overtired.
Yeah, overdue for a vacation.
Right. Luigi and I can run the kingdom while you're gone.
Well,
Hey, let's go to the islands. Hawaii, here we come. Let's party!
Toad, we're only going for a couple of days. Maybe we shouldn't go at all.
Oh, patooies. You're going, and that's final.
Promise me you'll call for me if you have any trouble.
Trouble? Not with us in charge. How hard can it be to run a kingdom anyway?
Very hard, you little pipsqueak. With the princess away, the Koopas will play and destroy and ruin.
Ooh, hey, Bad King Dad. My twisted genius brain just had an idea.
I trust it's disgusting and devious.
Even worse, what if I built a robot princess to take over the kingdom while the real princess is gone?
A perfect idea, Kooky, my boy. I'm so glad I thought of it.
Get back, Princess. Catch some Z's and UVs. We're in paradise.
I can't stop worrying about my kingdom.
Mario and Luigi can handle it. Last one in is a rotten Koopa. Come on, Princess! This is awesome!
The doctor did say I need to relax.
Check this out, Princess! Whoa!
You okay? That was a gnarly spill.
I'm okay. Thank you.
My name's Cutter. Looks like you could use some lessons. Are you babysitting that weird little kid in the funny sun hat?
Not really.
Then come on! Waves are a-wasting.
And he thinks I look weird? Well, maybe he'll take her mind off her dumb worries that her kingdom will fall apart.
As your temporary rulers...
We're proud to dedicate this new dam.
Hey, Luigi, this is my speech.
Oh, well, then tell them the village will never be flooded again.
This will make those plumbers really popular.
As I was about to say, your village will never be flooded again! Look at all these complaint letters. The stairway to Skyland keeps flying off and dropping people in the garbage dump.
The new Mushroom Shopping Mall is haunted with Bo-Diddleys. There's more trouble in the Mushroom Kingdom than we can handle, Mario. We gotta ask the princess to come home.
The princess needs her rest. You heard what the doctor said.
Face it, we're plumber heroes, not princes.
I'll send her a whoopogram message to get back here pronto.
Here, I already wrote it.
Warpogram message to Princess Toadstool intercepted as ordered, your royal rottenness.
My plan is working like a charm. When is the robot princess gonna be ready?
Hold your Goombas, Bad King Dad. You can't rush genius.
I need the robot princess now, Kooky, or I'm sending you to your dungeon and cutting your allowance.
Robot much ready for evil, King Dad. No one in the Mushroom Kingdom will even suspect the real princess is still in the real world.
The phone rings in the middle of the night. My father yells, "What you gotta do with your life?" Daddy dear, you know you're still number one, but girls just wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. That's all they really want. The fun. When the work and day is done. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun.
Great, huh? You can really get away from it all up here.
I'm not sure I ever want to go home. Mario, Luigi, I'm back.
Not a moment too soon, Princess.
Where's Toad?
He's having such a great time. I let him stay another week.
Everybody in your kingdom can't wait for you to rule them again.
And I can't wait to start ruling.
Those dumb plumbers fell for our phony robot. It won't be long, and the Mushroom Kingdom will be mine. While our robot princess lets me take over the Mushroom Kingdom,
My job is to keep the real Princess Toadstool in real Hawaii. You told me 6 times, Bossy Dad.
here, I'll put on your Hawaiian disguise. Now you can blend in with all the other tourists. Aloha, Kookie.
Aloha, Pop.
Huh? What? That's terrible, Mario. I don't think I can look at it again. The princess ordered the new highway to be built out of quicksand, and every fireflower in the kingdom extinguished.
I've never seen her act so strange.
Maybe she needed a longer vacation.
Maybe it's time we had an old-fashioned plumber to princess talk.
Welcome, King Koopa. I'm so glad you could come.
Good afternoon, Princess. So nice of you to invite me for tea.
Tea? With Koopa? Princess, how can you be so nice to Bowser Koopa?
Why shouldn't I be nice? After all, I'm turning my kingdom over to him.
You're what?
And you two are fired. You have exactly 1 hour to get out of King Koopa's Mushroom Kingdom.
Make it 15 minutes, plum scum.
Whoa! Luigi, you get the feeling Princess Toadstool isn't exactly herself lately?
Yeah, I wonder what happened to the princess that we know and love.
You're getting so good you could enter next week's surfing contest.
Well, why not? Come on, I'll tell Toad we're gonna stay a couple more weeks. Daddy, why does that little boy have an umbrella on his head?
Eat pineapple, kid.
And why is that other guy sneaking through those bushes?
He's probably some rock star hiding from his fans.
Rockstar? Where?
Great news, Toad. I've decided to spend another week here in Hawaii.
That's no rockstar. That's Kooky Von Koopa.
What? Cookie?
If Kookie's here by himself, the rest of the Koopas must be up to something. Why did Mario and Luigi let us know?
Oh, I better get home. My subjects may need me.
Your subjects?
I'm a princess.
Oh, sure you are.
She's not kidding, Cutter. She really is a princess of the Mushroom Kingdom.
And it's time I started acting like it. Where's the nearest drain pipe?
Over there.
Princess? Drain pipe? Mushroom Kingdom? Would someone please tell me what's going on here?
Oh, Cutter. Thanks for the most fun I've ever had in my life. Someday, I hope I can make you feel as welcome in my world as you made me feel in yours.
In the meantime, kiddo, we'd appreciate it if you kept all this secret.
No problem. No way I'm gonna risk mentioning this to anyone.
The Mushroom Kingdom is about to crown a new ruler. It is with great pleasure that I turn the crown of Mushroom Mushroom Kingdom, over to the great,
Make that magnificent.
over to the magnificent King Koopa!
Tell me, Luigi, if the princess had a vacation in Hawaii, why doesn't she have a suntan?
By the power vested in me as Princess of the Mushroom Kingdom. Hurry, Toad! I hereby name you ruler of all the Mushroom Kingdom.
Dad, I came to warn you. The real princess is coming back.
You're a little late, Cookie. Robot Princess, it was all your dumb idea. And if I weren't such a nice father, I would never let you try it.
Great surfing, Princess!
Toad's right. Looks like your Hawaiian vacation really came in handy.
Yeah, now bad old Koopa's the one who's gonna need a rest. Welcome home, Princess! Welcome home!
Oh, my aching head. Oh!
Seems you get these headaches every time you get clobbered by the Mario Brothers.
I could have taken over the Mushroom Kingdom years ago.
If only those nincompoop plumbers hadn't fallen down that warp zone pipe in Brooklyn. Maybe we can go back and change history, King Dad. All we need is a little time travel. I got to be careful. This is the only time travel tube I've got.
I don't see how that silly little tube is gonna get us back to Brooklyn and keep the Mario Brothers from ever leaving.
I know what I'm doing.
Well, it's a good thing I planted myself here. Wait till Mario and Luigi hear this.
We can't all fit in there.
Sure we can.
Mario's always getting us in the tight spots.
I must be getting tired. This crate is 10 times as heavy as it was before. Where should I put these supplies, your ultimate evilness?
Toss them over there. Did you hear something?
Nope, just your imagination.
It's working! I'll take us back to that Brooklyn drain just before noon, when the Mario Brothers walked into the Mushroom Kingdom.
You're a slowpoke, Cookie.
But King Dad, it'll blow if you give it more juice. Whoa! We're going out of control! No!
Stowaways! I'll fix you!
Forget them! Help me! We're going too far back in time!
Hit the brakes! Yow!
Hey, Mario!
Don't be a baby, Luigi.
Well, I am a baby. Those lunkheaded reptiles turned us into toddlers.
Maybe I can get us back on course.
Are we heading back to the right year, Kookie?
How come we're still babies?
The crash must have messed up the time tube.
Huh?
We don't have much time to get to that apartment where we fell down the drain.
Well, as small as we are, we'll have to find a shortcut.
After those diaper dodos!
Baby chase. Why did you say this song is baby chase? It's searching everywhere in every place. Baby chase. Wonder where he's hiding.
You know we got to find him.
Baby chase. How could he disappear and leave without a trace? But now we're on the track.
We're gonna get him found.
And this baby chase. Baby chase. How could he disappear and leave without a trace? But now we're on the track.
We're gonna get him found.
And in this baby chase.
Now we've got to get those little squirt plumbers cornered.
This is our chance. Let's scoot.
I love cute babies. Coochie, coochie.
Oh, the Mario babies got away. Well, now what do we do?
It's time to stop kidding around.
I think this might work, King Dada.
It better. The only way we can beat those Marios is by getting grown up again.
All right, King Dad. You're back to your abnormal self.
Now for the next part of my disgusting plan.
This is the place we fell in the warp zone drain and went to the Mushroom Kingdom.
The lady who lives here is a little daffy. Let me do the talking.
Who's that knocking on my knee? Oh, goodness gracious. Someone's abandoned 3 babies on my doorstep.
We're not abandoned, we're plumbers. You called for us, remember?
Please, plumbing is too dangerous for babies. I'll put you down for a nice nap. Wonderful. Here come the real plumbers. Koopa and Kid, the costume plumbers.
If they think we're in costume, King Dad, they'll never guess we're not from the real world. I told you I'm a genius.
Costume plumbers at your service, ma'am. We make plumbing a party.
Oh boy, if the Koopas mess with that drain, we'll never get back to our grown-up selves and save the Mushroom Kingdom.
Please fix my drain as quickly as possible, costume plumbers. I must bathe for my party tonight.
Leave it to us. We'll fix everything.
We can't let Koopa get away with this.
But what can we do?
I've got a way to cut Koopa down to size. Hey, these pipes are more tangled than a bowl of cheap spaghetti. Here's the bathtub drain pipe. Let's open her up.
Come on, you half-pints. I need some baby power.
Now what do we do?
I'm gonna sneak up behind them and backflush them.
Get some more stuff to plug this drain.
We'll make sure those shrimpy Mario babies never walk through this pipe.
How are you doing in there, costume plumbers?
Ah, shut your trap.
Gracious, how rude. I thought you made plumbing a party.
We do, lady. This is a fun game called Stuff Your Furniture Down the Drain.
Okay, time to stop playing patty cake. Turn on the water.
Now we'll really put the pressure on those phony Koopa plumbers.
Cookie, help me. A clog is unclogging. Oh,
What are they doing to my house? I better get help.
what do we have here? Some bratty Brooklyn Bambinos.
Quick, crawl after me.
Hey, oh, what do you think you're doing?
Sealing your fate.
Now the Super Mario Brothers will never get to the Mushroom Kingdom.
Phew! Am I drained?
With the Mario Brothers permanently stuck in Brooklyn as permanent babies, I can finally capture the princess and enslave her people.
My time travel thing is working great.
If I can just focus this time tube beam on the basement window.
Hey, I'm a full-sized hunk again. What happened?
Beats me. But we only got 30 seconds to unplug that drain.
This just about does it.
And here's the hairy clog that started it all.
Finally! Real plumbers! Why don't you stay for my party?
Thanks, but we've got a date with the princess.
If you know what's good for you, you'll sign over your kingdom now.
Better do what King Dad says, Princess. The Super Mario Brothers are stuck in the past.
Don't count on it, Koopas.
We unclogged the past.
And now we're gonna clog you out of the Mushroom Kingdom. Hairball!
Drats! This is even worse than the first time the Mario Brothers got here. Time to Koopa out, Kooky.
Good going, guys. That'll teach Koopa. Never mess with history.
Or with us.
Yeah, maybe next time old Koopa will pick on someone his own size.
Deep.